You may or may not know it, but this song is talking about one simple three-letter word that we put together.
This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success.
It's a mantra, a movement. It's a message, a music. Embody the growth mindset. Before the power to find yet. It's hard work in education. It starts first with dedication. I believe in myself, Sam. I can achieve any step, Sam.
You can. It's a mantra and movement. It's a message and music. Embody the growth mindset. Before the power to find yet. It's hard work in education. It starts first with dedication. I believe in myself, Sam. I can achieve any step, Sam. It's a mantra and movement. It's a message and music. Embody the growth mindset. Before the power to find yet. It's hard work in education. It starts first with dedication.
Tomorrow's another day. It's gonna be okay. Focus is all it takes. We're never giving up. We'll never fade away. Tomorrow's another day. This song is more than another day. It's a hope, it's a peace, it's a remedy. When you make a mistake, you never run away.
1, 2. What comes after 2? Wait. Is it 4? Oh, it's 3. Guys, okay, I'm sorry. Right, okay, here we go. All right, check this out, 6th grade. I got you guys. 1, 2, 3. That's impressive. Good job, guys. Go, teachers.
This is the place. You got the moves. Create the space. Now let's see you move. This is the place. You got the moves. Create the space. Now let's see you groove. Come on. This is the place.
Come on.
You got the moves. Create the space. Now let's see you groove. Dance. Dance. Come on, dance.
Have a good one.
You too, bro. Boom!
Oh.
Boom! 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 See you guys. You guys keep being great. Keep being great. Believe in you guys. The best is yet to come. Boom! Boom!
Renegade!
See you guys. Dream big, guys. Dream big. Dream big. Boom. Boom. The best is yet to come, guys. The best is yet to come. Thank you, man, for everything you do. Dream big, guys. Dream big. Keep being great. Keep being great. We believe in you guys.
The 3 most important words you can say to yourself is yes, I can. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. The key to success is believing you can. It's a mantra and movement. It's a message and music. Embody the growth mindset. Before the power to find yet. It's hard work in education. It starts first with dedication.